Hello, and welcome to Education Modified. Did you know there are nearly 300 research-based strategies within the EdMod strategy library? The strategies are easy to access directly within your students' learning bios. Just click on the Learning Bio tab along the toolbar, click on the Strategies tab within the Learning Bio, and then click on the gray Search Strategies button. This takes you to the library of strategies where you can search by keyword or filter by skill gap, grade level, and strategy type. And remember, each strategy contains links to research, articles, tools, materials, and videos so you can implement them quickly and easily. Just click Save to add it to a student's learning bio. And don't forget, now you can add it to multiple students at one time. Try it today.